The next piece of equipment in our memory lab is the CZUR ET24 book scanner. The power button is located in the back towards the left-hand side. There is also a button right behind the lights here. And this piece of equipment works better if the overhead lights are turned off. To turn those overhead lights off, go back towards the entrance and hit the second button down. Okay, for the sake of this demonstration, I am just going to use the memory lab instruction guide that we've put together. Okay. Just open it up to a page where there are 2 pages, and I'm going to center that on this black mat. On the computer, I am going to double click where it says CZUR scanner. Okay. Then over here, you're going to see a little arrow. Click that, and it will open up a screen where you can see what is on that black mat. You're going to look at this line right here through the center. You want to make sure that your book is centered on that line. So notice how it's a little uneven. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to try to straighten my book up to where that line is pretty much even along the center there. Okay, now that I've got it centered, I have an option. I can take a picture. Let me turn this a little bit and I'll zoom in on the computer so you can see what I'm talking about. On this side, I have the option of a flat single page. Let me see if I can zoom in any closer. Maybe not. Do have a time warning there. Let me go up here. Okay. I do have the option of a flat single page, facing pages, combined sides, or manual selection. So this book is actual facing pages. Okay, so I'm going to choose facing pages and then choose scan. Okay, and I'll back up so that you can see what's happening here. Okay. And off to the side, it has done 2 scans. Okay, it scanned 1 like this, and it scanned 1 like this. Okay, that's facing pages. Now, if I were to do a flat single page, instead, let me back this up a little bit so that you can see what's going on. It has selected the whole thing now. I'm going to click scan. Okay, and this is now what my scan looks like. So instead of 2 individual pages, I now have 1 flat scan. Okay, if I wanted to do a manual selection over here, okay, then I would click on one corner and drag out what section I wanted to scan. And when I let go, it would highlight in orange where I wanted to scan. Click the scan button. And there is my scan this time. Okay. Now, I want to go back. Okay, and it pulls up over here all the different images. I'm sorry, there's people walking into the library. It pulls up all the different images that I scanned. So if I want to save this one, I can go up here and it shows me where it was saved, documents, sources. I don't want it saved onto this computer. I want it saved onto my C drive. So I'm going to click the one that I want to save, and as I'm holding it down, I'm going to keep my left mouse button held down and I am dragging that all the way over to my USB drive, and then I let go, and now that image is in my USB drive. And we are done, okay? This seizure is great also for documents, large books, small books. Anyway, I am going to go ahead and close this out because my time is running out at the library. As you can see, they're getting ready to close, so I need to get off of here. Hopefully, I have answered your questions.